guys, my name is Zoe. So, challenge lang ako. Kukunin ko lang yung mga school supplies ko. Wait lang. Guys, I'm back. All the gamit, wait. You gonna... And I have some cucumber and some cat space. And we have some maliliit na papel at bracelet ko. At where this is the I need it. So I gonna open it. How to open? Open. Dapat tulog. Okay, wala naman nawala. So it's okay. So I gonna put it in here because and this is the bug, and I have some notebook here. So the notebook I gonna get. So you rate the ID, okay? So I have some ball pen. This is the ball pen. Oh gosh, ang dami kong star. Guys, abot to ng long kasi marami akong sabihin nyo kung ano yung papadrawing nyo at dodrawing ko. You want to draw ano yung papadrawing nyo, sabihin nyo lang at dodrawing ko, okay? Wait, dapat I gonna go to draw this. Wait, I gonna draw a bear. Oh shoot, kala ko wala nang ink. Ganyan. Wait guys, wait tayo. Okay, it's done. So wait guys, it's not done yet. We need to draw it because you request. Because I gonna challenge myself and wait guys, because this is getting longer and longer. We need to draw. Wait guys, okay, wait. And if you subscribe by getting a point, you're gonna rate it. So this is the hands, the teddy bear. This is the hands. Wait. Nasa labas.
Nasa labas daw. Nagtanong space.
Okay. guys, because I need to draw. It's 5 seconds. What the? We need to hurry. Because this is I make teddy bear. If I'm not
Ay, Ay,
so
magkano pa yung bibigyan
wait.
ko sa'yo? Yung kay Jo? Ay, kay ano? Si Jackie? Oo. Si Jackie? Kasi, oo nga. Baka kako mayroon pa akong balance. Ay, yung bago, ilan ang ano ko doon? Kasi itong, ano,
We need to.
nandito pa yung ano,
I've
yung
been
dalawang,
doing
ay,
this
bali,
because
tatlo.
I love you. I love my
Kukunin daw ni
viewers.
DB na yung dalawa.
Okay, wait guys.
Tapos,
Okay, and then
yung aking
you gonna
banita,
rate
yung
this.
isa, binayaran ko, hindi.
See? You gonna rate this. Look. Okay, comment it. What's your rate? Okay,
Oo,
bye.
ayan.